Welcome to our home decor series. Tonight we will be delving into the timeless and charming world of French country decor. Joining us, French country decor is all about creating a relaxed, rustic elegance inspired by the countryside in France. Think of charming cottages with a mix of natural elements and refined details. Earthy colors like soft blues, yellows, and greens dominate the palette, complemented by warm neutrals, distressed furniture, often with a white, washed or weathered finish, brings a sense of history and authenticity, while and floral patterns are also quintessential. Textile plays a role. You will find a mix of woolens, cottons, and natural fibers, twill, and a classic French fabric, often phosphorescent, is commonly used for curtains. Don't forget about rustic textures like wrought iron and distressed wood. Start with the color palette. Soft pastel and muted tones create a serene backdrop. Incorporate vintage and antique furniture piece with a warm charm. Add touches of wrought iron through light fixtures or accessories. Embrace natural elements like fish, flowers, and potted plants for a lively atmosphere. Thrift stores and flea markets can be treasured troves for finding unique, affordable pieces. Repurposing and upcycling furniture can also give a personalized touch without breaking the bank. One common mistake is overdoing it with too many decorative items. Keep it small and let a few standout pieces shine. Also, avoid overly matchy furnishing. Bite of electric charm adds characters. Thanks for watching. Happy decorating.